Good morning friends, welcome to ExamDroid, your study partner. Today we will discuss the most important current affairs of 5th February. Who becomes India's youngest female pilot? The correct answer is Aisha Aziz. Aisha Aziz becomes India's youngest female pilot and she is 25 years old and she is from Kashmir. Next question. Which stock exchange of India launched an innovation sandbox web portal? The correct answer is BSE. BSE stands for Bombay Stock Exchange and it has launched an innovation sandbox web portal. Talking about BSE, it is located in Dalal Street, Mumbai. The chairman is Bikramajit Sen and the MD and CEO is Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Next question. Which word is named as the Oxford Hindi Word of 2020? The correct answer is Atmanirbharta. Atmanirbharta is named as the Oxford Hindi Word of 2020. Next question. Which country's Arun 3 hydropower project will be completed by India's Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam? The correct answer is Nepal. Nepal's hydropower project will be completed by India's Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam. Talking about Nepal, the capital is Kathmandu, the Prime Minister is KP Sharma Oli, and the President is Vidya Devi Bhandari. Next question. Which Indian American has been appointed as NASA's acting Chief of Staff? The correct answer is Bhavya Lal. She is appointed as NASA's acting Chief of Staff. Talking about NASA, the full form is National Aeronautics and Space Administration and it is headquartered in Washington DC, US. And the other options are also important for you. Sabrina Singh, she is an Indian American and she is the Deputy Press Secretary of White House. Dr. Raj Iyer is the first Chief Information Officer of US Army and Kamala Harris is the new Vice President of US. Next question. Who is the author of the book Unfinished, a memoir? The correct answer is Priyanka Chopra Jonas. Priyanka Chopra Jonas is the author of the book Unfinished, a memoir. Next question. Which country topped the medal tally at the first Asian Online Shooting Championship? The correct answer is India. India topped at the first Asian Online Shooting Championship. And this championship was organized by Kuwait Shooting Federation. Next question. National Tribal Festival Adi Mahotsav 2021 was organized in which city? The correct answer is New Delhi. It was organized in Delhi Hut in New Delhi. And it was inaugurated by Vice President of India M. Venkaiah Naidu. And this event was organized by TriFed and Ministry of Tribal Affairs. And who is the Ministry of Tribal Affairs? Arjun Munda. Arjun Munda is the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Next question. In which city Microsoft has opened Taj Mahal inspired India Development Center? The correct answer is Noida. This new India Development Center is opened in Noida. And who is the CEO of Microsoft? Satya Nadella. Satya Nadella is the CEO of Microsoft and it is headquartered in Redmond, Washington, United States. Next question. Nunak Nuraini passed away recently. She was famously known as what? The correct answer is father of instant noodles. She was known as father of instant noodles. And she was the first to introduce instant noodles in Indonesia. And after this, noodles became famous all over the world. Next question. How much amount is allocated for COVID-19 vaccine in the Union Budget 2021? The correct answer is rupees 35,000 crore. Rupees 35,000 crore is allocated for COVID-19 vaccine. And as you know, the Union Budget was presented by Minister of Finance Nirmala Sitharaman. Next question. Who has launched an e-magazine called Shaurya One? The correct answer is Rajnath Singh. This e-magazine was launched by our Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. Next question. Who has been appointed as the Director General Medical Services of the Indian Navy? The correct answer is Navin Chawla. Navin Chawla is the new Director General of Medical Services of the Indian Navy. And who is the Chief of Naval Staff? Admiral Karamveer Singh is the Chief of Naval Staff. And the Commander-in-Chief is our President Ramnath Kovind. Next question. According to Union Budget 2021, A new central university will be set up in which location? The correct answer is Leh. A new central university will be set up in Leh. And as you know, Leh is the capital of Ladakh. Ladakh is a union territory and it has two capitals, Leh and Kargil. And the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh is Radhakrishna Mathur. Now these are the answers of the previous day quiz. The first question was, who has been appointed as the first Chief Compliance Officer of Facebook? The correct answer is Henry Moniz. And the second question was, which city has launched India's first boat library? The correct answer is Kolkata. Now for today's quiz, the two questions are, which city will launch India's first gender park? And the second question is, who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of SBI Cards and Payment Services Limited? You have to write your answer in the comment box and I will share the correct answer in the next video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel Exam Droid for more such current affairs. Thank you.